About to fall.
Whoa.
He's just sketching it out right now.
Oh, it is going to be. Evidently, it is going to be a chainsaw.
It is gonna be a cheat. Yeah, and I got our troop.
We're going to come back over when the chainsaw starts. Do you have any information? Is it going to involve a chainsaw later?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's just sketching the eye.
It is going to involve a chainsaw later?
I think so.
It's not going to be electric. It's going to be a gas chainsaw, right?
I would think so.
Do we have information?
So what's he got a block? He's got a block of ice there.
Yeah. Should we ask the police? Maybe they should know if it's going to be a chainsaw.
Perhaps for me that would be illegal.
Is there a doctor in case there's any? There's no small accidents with chainsaws.
Sounds like that when you get a haircut.
Oh,